Hello viewers at Kakuyu Madei channel. Welcome back here. Today we are making macaroni. Macaroni is here, is cooking. And we have put just a little fryer so that it cooks nicely. And here we have got broccoli. I already boiled the broccoli. And we have on the side we have the shrimps and a little salt, and we are going to add some curry powder, okay, for some taste, and also stock powder. We are going to add it in the shrimps. So what we are going to make is a nice meal for 3 people, okay? So let's cook together, and probably you are welcome to eat, okay? Now, as this one is cooking, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this onion, and then I will the shrimps cooks very fast. So immediately I put the onion is ready, I'm going to put the shrimps, and then I add some of this hot curry powder, and then this aroma. And then after that, I'm going to cut this a little bit smaller, because we have children who are also dining with the family. And then after that, when it's ready, because the broccoli is almost ready, and then I will add some sauce in it, some cream in this mixture of shrimp and broccoli. And then after that, I'm going to add some cream, a nice cream. And then after that, I mix it together with my broccoli, and then the food will be ready. Okay, let me cut the onions, and then we see what next. Viewers, now you can see the onion is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the pan. Yes, like that. And then I'm going to stir. I'm going to now you can see the onion is cooking, okay? Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some garlic and ginger. So I'm going to add, because it's food for only 3 people, 2 babies and 1 grown-up. So I'm not going to put much. You can see it's not a lot. So I use the grater to make this garlic. I don't pound it, because it's not necessary to be pounded. So you can see my garlic is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on the onion, and then I'm going to stir the mixture together. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some curry powder, a teaspoonful. I'm an old cook, so I know how much that means. So don't worry. So if you're an amateur, you can use a spoon. Okay. I've added just a spoon, a level of aroma. That is the stock. And then I'm going to stir. I will not wait until the onion is a brown, as most people normally do that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my shrimps. These are my shrimps. These are seafood. Okay, so I'm going to remove the water. I've removed the water because, you know, I just took them from the freezer. So you should not be worried when, okay, it's like that. Then I will not cook it. Shrimps do not cook for a long time. So I must make sure that I keep on stirring. They are going to cook very fast, okay? You can see the color. Oh, that's beautiful. It's very nice color. So I'll keep on checking. I don't put a lot of heat, because too much heat when you are cooking is not good. When you want your food to be taste nice, it's good to cook it under low heat, not too much. Too much does not cook well. Sometimes it just burns the food. So we are going to wait a little bit until when it's ready. Then we are going to mix our, you can see our macaroni still cooking. I need it to be soft because I have babies dining with us. Okay, I have 2 babies who are going to share the food with us. Okay, viewers, you can see our shrimp is almost getting ready. You don't have to cook shrimps for quite a long time. You have to be very careful when you are cooking shrimp. They cannot cook for a long time. And remember, as I've said, you have always to cook them under low heat. Okay? Now, I'm going to put now the lowest heat, and then I'm going to cover them with a lid. Okay? You can see how my shrimps is looking nice, and the macaroni is still cooking. That's going to be a very nice meal. I've yet to mix the broccoli together with the shrimps. So let's wait and see. Guys, because now my shrimps are ready, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this broccoli, and then I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir it together, mix it together. Then after that, because my broccoli is ready, I'm going to put it in, and then viewers, because now I've mixed them, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir it, and then it's going to be ready for eating. It's a little bit soft because they are, I say this can be eaten by children, that's so long as they have teeth, because it's soft and it's very delicious. And yeah, it's balanced. It's a balanced, it has vegetables, it has shrimps, sea animals, seafood, and the macaroni. Okay, now viewers, the food is ready. Oh, I can smell it. Can you smell it? Okay, welcome until next video. Bye, and welcome to London.